To transfer money on Easypaisa, you can follow these steps. Start by opening the Easypaisa mobile app on your device and logging into your account by entering the required information. If you want to transfer money to another account, click on the bank transfer option on the home page. Select the bank to which the account you're transferring to belongs, and enter the account number you're sending money to. You will also need to select the reason for the transfer. Enter the recipient's phone number and specify the amount you want to send. After reviewing the details, click the Next button and then Send Now. Alternatively, if you want to transfer money to another Easypaisa mobile account, select the Easypaisa option on the home page. Enter the registered phone number of the person you're transferring money to, and specify the amount you want to transfer. Finally, click the transfer option to complete the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money on Easypaisa.